How to cancel your Prime Video membership. So let's get started. If you find yourself looking to cancel your Prime membership through the Prime Video website, it will redirect you to Amazon. So, firstly, log into your Prime Video. You will need to log into your Prime Video in order to cancel your Prime membership. Then, in the top right corner, you will see your profile icon depicted by an image of your choosing. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you will see an option to go to your settings page. Simply select the options. Now, on your account page, you will see your plan information and your next billing date. You will also see section called Your Prime Membership, and this section should tell you that you will need to go to Amazon to edit your account settings or your Prime membership. It should also have an edit button on the right. You will need to click the edit button to be automatically redirected to your Amazon website. And after redirection, you should be on the Amazon homepage where you can simply follow to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.